guys, this is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today we are here on cryptoTV to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be talking about the daily chart, and we'll be looking at a lot of technical tools like support resistance levels, moving averages, RSI levels, and some other things to see what the charts are telling us technically. So quickly, without wasting a minute, I will move on to the Bitcoin first, and current market price is standing at 38,690. So एक हमको जो fall देखने को मिला है Bitcoin के price में, it went up to 45,000 levels but failed miserably. वहाँ से काफ़ी price ने एक आपको fall दिखाया है जो कि recent अगर मैं लो की बात करती हूँ तो which is around 36,000 levels. From there now the price is showing some strength towards the upside, and that's the reason it's trading around 38 and 39,000 range. Now if you talk about the overall trend, we are getting a bearish trend only. We are also getting a RSI level at 42. So still, if you look at the RSI which is below than 50, you can consider the buying a weak buying. You can say that there is a buying, but very less people are actually taking up the buy position because everyone is like very bearish on this particular cryptocurrency. Now if you talk about the moving averages, here I'm using the exponential moving averages for 50, 100 and 200 days. So 50 EMA level is at 41,933, 100 EMA is at 44,710, and 200 EMA is at 46,084. If you look at the support and resistance levels, we are having support 1 is at 35,335, support 2 is at 29,713, resistance 1 is at 41,211, and resistance 2 is at 45,332. Now if you look at the current market price, which is trading below than all the three moving averages, that also a sign, that also shows that yes, the downtrend is there, there is a weakness amongst the buyers. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, now this was the trend which I was talking about. So from the starting of November, we are getting this fall, and we have seen a good fall in fact. And if you talk about the current momentum, so I'll zoom it a bit, and yes, so this was the price which at that time tried to break this previous high, but it failed miserably. And you can see that here 2 times, in fact if you consider this high also, so 3 times the price break, or the price basically tried to break this 45,000 level, but it was unable to do that. So that's the reason you can see a fall here. And if you look at the day before yesterday candle, so you are getting a kind of inverted hammer pattern here, and this is a small reversal. So you might see a rally unless and until the price doesn't break this level. So you can't see a trend reversal, but maybe you can see little upside because the price has fallen from 45,000 levels to 36,000, somewhere around 36,000, and then from here you might see a little profit booking or little upside momentum as of now. So that's the reason yesterday we have got more than 3% up, and even today it's like more than 1% up, and we need to wait for the closing, and we would be able to see what can be the rally, or how much the price can go up for a little period of time. But overall the trend is downtrend, bearish. And look at the crossover here. In the last month we have got this crossover, but still the price is not falling much. That's the reason you are not getting much divergence between the moving averages. So if you will see a price falls more, then you will definitely see more difference between these two moving averages. So that's how the technical outlook for Bitcoin is there. Let's move quickly to the Ethereum now. So almost similar situation you can see here also. जैसा हमें Bitcoin में देखने को मिला है, यहाँ पे भी हमें वही चीजें देखने को मिलेगा. प्राइस इथेरियम का भी 2700 पे ट्रेड हो रहा है, जो कि 3000 लेवल से काफी टाइम से नीचे ट्रेड हो रहा है. दैट्स द रीजन RSI 43 पर है और bearish ही ट्रेंड है यहाँ पे. And if you look at the 50 EMA, so level comes out to be 3025, 100 EMA is at 3270, and 200 EMA is also almost at the same level of 100 EMA, which is at 3275. Now if you remember, बिटकॉइन के केस में जहां 100 और 200 EMA का क्रॉसओवर हो चुका है, यहाँ पे अब हमको देखने को मिल सकता है. सो वील टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग इन द चार्ट ऑल्सो. Plus, if you look at the support and resistance levels, so support 1 comes out to be 2,336, support 2 is 1,817, resistance 1 is at 2,855, and resistance 2 is at 3,361. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Ethereum. Right. So this was the downtrend, from around November only, starting of the November, we have seen a fall in almost all the cryptocurrencies, and currently it's, trading at this level, which is hovering around at this downward trend line. It tried to break, this particular trend line, but again, came back to the downside, and it's hovering around that level only. This is the crossover which might happen, and if that happens, you will see more price falling in the Ethereum case. Now, if you look at the day before yesterday candle, where we are getting a inverted hammer pattern, and yesterday we have got more than 2% up, and even today, if you look at the current price, or at the current time, you can see that the price is 3% up. Now again, wait for the closing. If the closing happens to be here, you might see a little bit more upside momentum, but that is for a very short period of time. Otherwise, the trend is into the downtrend only. So this is how we basically conduct the analysis for every day for these two currencies. So I hope you gained something. Thank you so very much.